More of the sheep are coming, more.
They're coming.
When you see the final photo, it looks all fancy and nice, but this is what goes into it. We took 2 trains and a bus, and now we're having Lovis change. We're currently in Vengen at the top of the mountain. It's so nice out right now. It's beautiful. Oh, is there literally a car? Oh God, are we gonna get in trouble?
I don't care. He waved.
Oh, he waved at us?
Yeah. Oh, and we were just like trying to like. That's why I said hi. I was like, what's up?
The question is, will we get kicked out?
We just have to blame it on the fact that we're American.
We're gonna blame Lovis. Just blame them. She's so cute. She's so cute. You think they're gonna say no to the? Look at this.
True.
She'll just start crying and be like, "Sir, just cry. You're an actress." They forced me. Please.
Should they come all the way from the States? Please.
We should all cry. If we all 4 girls cry, they can't say no.
Taking a picture.
Where? Oh, you guys, she's coming.
Oh, it knows that we're gonna shoot.
Okay, you just want to stay right there. Yeah, they're all coming. I told you guys.
Oh
yeah.
my God, look at that.
Who's the one who said no? The sheep are not gonna come. Yeah.
Me. Of course.
There's a brown one. Hurry.
Wow, that's the black sheep in the family.
The black sheep. Okay, Allah, Allah. Oh my God, this is gonna be amazing. Okay. More of the sheep are coming. More. Okay, come on. Good job, Lovis. Love that. Perfect. Okay, y'all want to come this way?
They're coming.
What did I tell you?
Why are they coming? They know. Because you're a luxury. And
Bring your leg out. Yeah. Face it straight. Yeah. Great job, Lovis. That's our sheep, girl. Can one of them come over here? Great, beautiful. Yeah, just like lounging, sitting, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just afraid of this.
Oh yeah, be careful, okay. Maybe you could be kneeling down so we can get like with the sheep. Can you come? Maybe you switch it up right here. Yeah, stay right there, stay in that pose. The sheep is right behind you. I know this is gonna be really annoying. How do I get this to like stick without this orange thing popping up? I don't know. Sarah, you're not here. I'm doing my best. The stylist.
We miss you.
We miss you, Sarah. Okay, those are great. Yeah. And turn this way. Good job. Yeah, those are great. Looking away, like over here. A little bit less tension. Yeah. And keep moving, like little movements. Yeah. Yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Good job. Gorgeous. Good job, Lovis. Show a little bit of the side right here. Yeah.
This girl knows how to do words of appreciation.
We gotta have it show. Yeah, those are great. I love those. Stay in that pose, yeah. I love this, but have both arms show, yeah. Have your other arm, yeah. Maybe have both arms up. Can you do that? Good job. Okay, maybe we could get another area. Yeah. Let's switch it up. You know that song, My Shiny Teeth and Me, from the Fairly Odd Parents, My Broken Nail and Me?
No.
No?
You okay?
I broke my nail. Trying to get Lovis's shoe out of the bag. You know what? That's okay. I'm willing to break all of my nails. Am I ever gonna get over my nail? I might not. I'm gonna go to the nail salon after this.
You don't know Heidi.
No.
Can you ask your followers
I
if
don't
they know Heidi?
If you know who Heidi is, comment down below.
Heidi.
I don't know who she is. But I will know after this because we're gonna watch it tonight.
You better.
Oh, hi. Ah, so cute.
She just looks like...
She's disappointed in this outfit.
I live in a village in Switzerland and people already stare at me. I'm not walking around like this, but just like normal stuff, people already like judge me for.
Yeah, we call it Swiss FBI, like old women on the balconies.
Old
like,
woman, by the way,
you
she
know.
just walked around, like she crossed me, I said hi, and she was like,
Yeah.
just like looking at me.
Yeah,
I was
and
like, you
she'll,
can
like,
just say
give you
hi.
Are you from here, from this town?
I lived in Lauterbrunnen
Oh, okay.
for 4 years, but I'm from the United States.
Oh, what state?
Last I was living in California in the Sierra
nice.
Mountains.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, but I've moved all over. I was a cowboy for 12 years.
Wow.
Well, do you know happen to know any good spots here?
Yeah,
Maybe we could-
definitely. I was gonna say. Like,
Okay, yes,
go.
please.
Okay.
Please.
If you guys want, you can go up here and look that way, and you'll see the Silberhorn. And if it opens up, it's awesome. There's an array of hiking paths. As soon as you get up there, it's just epic.
Okay, so we met a fellow American and he took us to this spot and here we are. He said it's empty. As long as we're quiet, I think we'll be okay. There's cows in the background. This looks beautiful. Okay, let's put your hair in the front, like put it to the front and then let's clip it like that. Are you?
Oh, no. JK.
Jessica's hurting the models. Oh my-
Just kidding. I know myself, and I'm gonna scream about the pictures. And I'm like,
Amazing. Hopefully.
shooting, I'm always like, are you sure?
You gotta trust and believe.
Oh,
Okay, let's move a little bit. Yeah, more to the side.
this way or this way?
Go like this. So it's, yeah, right there. A little bit. Yeah, right there. Keep your knee like that. Keep your knee like that. And then, yeah, move your arms. And then push that. Yeah, push it like more in a circle. Yeah. Yeah. Great job. Actually, look here. Yeah, look here. Gorgeous. Look at this background. Oh my God, this is nice. Could you stand right here, Lovis? Do like more side stuff. Yeah. Yeah, those are great. Beautiful. Good job. Lovis, amazing. Let's go up here, further up, right here.
Oh yeah.
So let's do this quick. Let's put that thing, yeah. That other thing up. Let's have both arms showing, yeah. Let's do some of you like out this way, yeah. Yeah, like that, those are great. Good job. Great, oh, I love those, good job. Good job. Yeah, lift your chin up a little, yeah. Looking away, like looking out this way, yeah. Looking away in all these. No looking at the camera. Gorgeous, good job. Beautiful. Man, this guy got us the best location ever.
You like it?
I love it. I'm so happy. Good job. Do something kind of like even like with, yeah, your arms up. Yeah, those are great. And can you do one facing me and then holding this? Kind of like an annoyed, kind of like, yeah. With the hair in your face. With the hair in your face. I was like, go like this.
Wind is coming.
Yeah, really, I want your hair to stay in that, yeah. Yep, like that. Yeah, like that, that's beautiful. Turn a little bit more to the side, yeah, like that. But like legs a little bit more together, yeah. Great job. Turn a little bit more to the side, yeah. And then like looking out this way, yeah. Beautiful, okay.